Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zendesk to manage e-commerce customer tickets, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the Zendesk login URL, which is typically www.zendesk.com. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Zendesk homepage. Look for the login button, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a password reset. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. Once logged in, you will see the Zendesk dashboard. To manage e-commerce customer tickets, navigate to the Views tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Views tab to access different ticket categories. Locate the e-commerce tickets view or a similar category relevant to your e-commerce operations. Select the e-commerce tickets view to see all customer requests. You can sort and filter tickets as needed using the provided options in the view. Click on a specific ticket to open it and review the details. Respond to the customer by typing in the response field. Make sure to address their concerns thoroughly before sending your reply. Once satisfied with your response, click the Submit button to send your message. To escalate or assign the ticket to another team member, use the options provided in the ticket details. After managing the ticket, you can either leave it in the status you've set or mark it as resolved. Continuously monitor the e-commerce tickets view for any new customer inquiries. Utilize the reporting tools available in Zendesk to analyze ticket trends and resolutions. Regularly updating yourself on customer tickets will enhance your support efficiency. This process will ensure you manage your e-commerce customer tickets effectively within Zendesk. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.